think it's wrong. Deep boy fresh with it on, know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important, what I'ma lock out. Don't play with the... Someone come on, throw my heart, I think it's wrong.
Guys, look at this little M340. Big old pop Hellcat. There was a cop right here, I ain't gonna lie, did he come? Go, 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 I got you, go, go, go! Go! Go, bro, go! Is he turning or not? Is he turning or not? Is he turning or not? Yeah, come through, dog. Come to you, my boy. Come on now, baby. Yo. Come on now, baby. Cat performing, dog. He gone, he gone. I was on the highway with a scat pack too. Shout out to that subscriber. My boy pulled up and say, yo, I watch your videos. I'm like, hell yeah, dog. There's a little bit of either alignment or tire issue because it's a little bit wobbly. So I don't want to go too hard, but shit, we can keep up. We can pass it too. Come on now. We're trying to have some fun. See, it's like a little bit wobbly when you get up to a certain speed. But I'm gonna pass him though. Come on now. All right. Like I said, it's a little bit wobbly. Go through, my boy. Yeah, it's a little bit wobbly though. Yo, this shit lit. Where am I going, to be honest? Probably passed my stop long ages ago. Good thing, my boy. Yeah, stop, my boy. Stop, 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 stop. Yeah, come to a stop, my boy. Now he gonna get me. Now you gonna get me. What's good? I appreciate it, bro. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go out to the limits. Yeah. All right. But now you gonna beat me. He said on green. This should get no traction. Is it all-wheel drive or rear wheel? Rear wheel. Oh shit! We gotta link up, bro.
Yeah.
Come on green. He's gonna beat me off the line though. You guys going to Hellcat? Yeah. I'm gonna be spinning. Don't worry, you can still go in. I'm gonna have to catch.
Alright, you got me on top end though.
Yeah, on top end, but not off the dig though. Come on. Holy shit! Yo! I'm going this way, my boy. Yo! Wait, yo, huh? Huh? To the limits. And the Instagram is the same thing. We gotta link up, cool?
Yeah, I'll hit you up.
What's your IG?
I'm gonna follow you.
All right, cool. We gotta link up, Brody. We gotta link up. That dude cool as hell. Yo, shout out to you, my boy. If you're watching this video, drop a, I don't know, say it to you in the comments. But cool ass dude. That shit lit. That shit lit. That shit lit. My boy cutting up in the M340. Come on now. Got me testing the limits of the cat, huh? That's my first time pushing the cat so hard since it came back. I mean, I can show you guys too. I've been getting good gas mileage. Yo, bro, that was sick. I haven't drove like that in a minute. Look, well, it went down to 15. It was at 20. Holy shit, that was lit, bro. That was lit. That was lit. Hey guys, drop a thumbs up for this video. I don't know how long it is. I don't know how short it is. If it's too short, I'll try to add something to it. If it's not too short, then man, just enjoy it. Cause yeah, the Hellcat is back, baby. The Hellcat is back. Oh, it's great. And we're up in, you know, Jupiter in Mexico. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video though. Signing out, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I should have recorded the scat pack too. Damn it, I should have recorded the scat pack on the highway. That was lit too. But shit, the Hellcat is back. We got the content back. Hopefully you guys can enjoy some of these content that we're gonna be pushing out. And if you want to see anything specific, let me know, because I mean, you know, your boy don't be knowing what to post. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, man. That was lit. If I got his IG before this video goes up, I'll link it down below. Shout him. I'll shout him out in the description, because he cool as hell. All right, guys. See you on the next one, man. Bye bye. Guys, let me give you guys a proper ending to the video, man. I made it to our destination, the Tommy Bahama, right? I've been here for the last like few nights, and like shit, up here normally have some crazy cars. Tonight they got the Cullinan, the Bentley, the Cayman. But last night, shit, I mean the first night I came up here was pure Porsches. Pure Porsches. I'm talking every Porsche, bro. From SUVs to cars to sports Porsches. Every Porsche is sporty, but GT cars, Caymans, you know what I'm saying? GT3s, 911s. Second night, McLarens. Last night was Ferrari night. Shit, they had a SF90 over there where the Cullinan is at. And then they had a California right here. And I was right here still. But I mean, we made it to our destination. That drive with the Bimmer was lit, bro. I haven't done nothing like that in a few months. I wonder if she can take pictures, like good. But I haven't done shit like that in a few months. I love this car, man. And as I said, the suspension is a little bit wobbly. I'm not sure if it's because I run the 35 mm sidewall tires. Maybe it's a little bit too small and the alignment needs to be fixed up a little bit. Once that, we'll see if they have that same issue. Hopefully it doesn't. These lights look sick. I love those lights. They look sick. They match all the LEDs. They look sick. And the front is orange. We're not gonna see it. Maybe if I start it. Maybe if I start it. There we go. Yes, sir. But like I was saying though, she's performing real good. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because we got a lot of content coming with her. Check out Instagram if you haven't yet. But yeah, we made it to our destination. I'm gonna chill out for a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, just drop a thumbs up. Let me ask this girl if she take like good pictures. I mean, shit, take some for me. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next one, man. I'm gonna call wifey and tell her I'm here. Bye bye.